All right, so today I'll be trying to show you how to dark theme any random web page you may come across. I'll be using Stylus, Chrome tool, Firefox tool. Once you install it, you get a little icon in the upper right. And I would be styling this site, but it doesn't work on Google Chrome's web store or certain system page settings like Chrome flags. Anyhow, I chose this site, express.co.uk, to get started with. Any site you go to, you can write a new style for it and pick either the full URL or just the base URL. That should open up a window like this. Various options to change what you are using. We're just going to go for the basics of express.co.uk. Also going to want to inspect, which should open up a window like this. To get started, we want a few basic colors and some just nicely named variables that we can look at. For starters, we're going to try to remove this header because one of the things I hate most are large, ridiculous headers with all the links. So by viewing the source and going through various elements to find, we find that this is main container header clear fix. So we're just going to copy that and try to make it go away. Header.clearfix, and just a display none should make it disappear. But it also got rid of the article title and the publisher, which we don't quite want that. So let's see what they use to target this. Container header relative. Let's just paste that there and let's try that again. Which, perfect. We got rid of the header. We don't need that anymore. The next thing that utterly disturbs me all the time are all the share and tweet and various links to other social sites. Normally these have a name of like share or social. In this case it is social buttons and comments. No, thank you. I never want to see that again. Please make it go away. Perfect. Side article. When I'm reading an article, I just want to read the article. I don't want all of the miscellaneous links. This should be easy with just the right column. So let's get rid of that. Perfect. That's gone. Next, let's take a look at what else is in here. Again, I don't want random other stories when I'm trying to read something. This could be, oops, didn't actually select anything. Where does this take us? Related articles. 2 related articles is probably unique to that container. So let's put that in there and make it disappear. That got rid of that. It doesn't look like it stripped anything else out. This big box of survey, I would rather just not have that. I don't know what P402 hide is, but maybe that is what we need to hide, just that, and hopefully nothing else. That looks like that worked. Related articles, footer stuff. Article elements, maybe, can make that whole section disappear. Perfect, and that could be a footer. Let's try it and find out. Hey, look at that. So that looks like just the article, and to be sure, we're going to disable the style and see, make sure we didn't get rid of any of the actual article text, and I think that was it. Re-enable that. Now we can start working with column width and colors. So by default, this is nice, but why not take up the whole page? Need to find the column and figure out where it is. So this looks like, okay, there's a width attached to that. let's just say it's 100%. Why not? That looks great. Images, a little bit big. Let's try to do something about that with the .photo class. Okay, that sizes that. Then make the margins on auto so it'll center in the column. Perfect. More random links. Let's see, can we get rid of these? I don't think we can, given text description is on everything. Maybe we could try div p strong. That might do us something. Or it might make too much disappear. That still looks like what we want. How about this? An article link. Take that whole thing. You can match elements with the square brackets and putting them like this just to match a specific tag. Looks like there's quite a few of those, and we still have, nope. That took all of the links out that we want. So let's just leave that there for now. Another good thing we can do is set up links to be whatever color we want. With a dark background, it'll be hard to see them if they're usually the default. That doesn't look like it's doing anything. Let's use the important flag. I also really enjoy putting underlines on things, so I'm gonna do that too. All right, next, text color. This sometimes takes care of it, sometimes doesn't. Find out if I could type it right. All right, that seemingly did most of it. Next, for the background, using our darker color, see what happens there. Perfect. Then our main column has some kind, hey look, first pick, container. Let's take that and let's give it our slightly tinted dark color. Again, with the typing, respectable. Next, let's try for these headers. Colors here. We can just append to that style. That will change those. This is a subtitle, so we don't quite want it the full colors of everything else. We want it to be our dim color. Now, my naming convention, so. Not quite as bright as the rest, that's good. Our author is a link, and that's just an A span. So that should be easy enough to color like that, perfect. And same thing with the by, which looks like just author tag. Nope, a little bit more than that. Put that in our dim section as well with the comma. That colors that. And I'd say we're almost done. Let's make the back a little bit more festive, maybe something blue, too bright. I think that's nice, why not? Next thing, I'm gonna flash this to white, don't let it burn your eyes. There's a video. What did I do to strip out the video? I didn't want to do that. Where is the video? Let's just find the text down here and go up from there. There it is. So let's keep our mouse on that, re-enable our style, and see what happens. P402 hide. So can't have that. We'll get our article. I don't even recall, oh, this giant monstrosity. Okay, first let's clean up the video and make it not quite as large. And the background of that video player is probably too bright, so just make that transparent. So there's one thing. also change the color of that out because it's straight up white. I find that unappealing. Some people may not. I don't know. Whatever. Let's see. Video player wrapper. Player container is probably the better outer element that we can try to resize like our pictures. We want an R on the end of that. That looks great. What can we do about this giant survey that nobody wants? It is an iframe. I could do the cheap thing and just hide that. That, for the most part, does it, right? And here is our dark theme site with, I don't know, minimum code? I don't know. I'll probably be doing a few more of these the rest of the weekend, maybe some next week. And I'll probably explain more of my color scheme and maybe try to do some other more complex sites. This was fairly simple. I don't know. Questions, comments, maybe? Leave them in the comment section. I'll try to keep up on those. Requests, sure. You can try to do some sites if you want me to. Until next time, have a great time. Bye.